Hello everyone, this is Shankar. Hope you are doing well. So we are started series of videos on masking sensitive information by using logback, Spring Boot and Thymeleaf. This is the third video. So first I will explain some intro about first video, second video, then I will come back to third video. So this is the first video masking customer sensitive information like phone number in Spring Boot and Thymeleaf. So in Spring Boot, I have developed one controller. In that, I have masked phone number. Then a response sent to the theme leaf page. This is the post approach. This post approach I have developed to understand the concept, but this is not a recommended approach. But you need to practice this program because of you will get some idea about masking. What is the masking? Why masking? So what is the sensitive information? Like suppose take user have some properties, right? Like so user have Aadhaar, phone number, Gmail. These are the sensitive information. So what is sensitive information? Assume like one user will be there. User have phone number, Gmail, Aadhaar number. These are the sensitive information. What is the masking? Masking is nothing but sensitive fields. Like this is the phone number is a sensitive field. Masking means hiding some of the characters. See, in this phone number we are hiding the some of the character. This is called masking. So this is proof of concept you can learn from this first video. So second video masking customer sensitive info using logback and Spring Boot. This is the dynamic approach printing masked data in logs. So that means like this approach meant for logs. So you want to mask some sensitive information while printing logs. These are the some sample I am given. Other email, phone number. You want to print some logs, but while printing the logs, some of the fields data you want to mask. Some of the fields you want to mask. You want to hide. Some of the fields data you want to hide. Then you can go for the second approach. So masking sensitive information. So printing masked data in logs, right? Using logback and Springboard dynamic approach. Using logback and Springboard dynamic approach. In second approach, we are printing the masked data in logs. So current video, this video, I will explain about masking user sensitive information using logback, Springboard and Thymeleaf. It is the very recommended approach. It is the demo-3. So in this video, so I will show how to save data, P for masking, how to save data in database, B for masking, and I will combine second approach and third approach as well in this video. Like this is the third approach. Second approach also I will add here like masking sensitive information using logs. I will print sensitive information in logs as well. UI I will send to UI some of the screens where so masking feature is used like reset your password. This is the one screen I am collected from the Facebook. See, it is the phone number, stars are there. So this is the one masking screen. Enter the 6-digit code. It is the K stars, so many stars at gmail.com. This is the one screen. SMS send. This is the one screen. This is the Gmail account recovery. This is the one screen. So these are the different screens. So our current topic using logback, Spring Boot and Thymeleaf use it to mask sensitive information and print sensitive information in masked sensitive information in logs and send it to UI as well, render in UI as well with the UI screen, right? So let's start our development. This is not a stretch video. It is continuation video of implementing masking sensitive information by using logback and Spring Boot and Thymeleaf. This is the one of the feature in Spring Boot. So we are now implementing. This is the third video and it is a final video. So go to these files I have added in first video and the first demo and second demo. This is the third demo. So first This is user identity, right? Here I will take, so here all are constructor, no are constructor, already there here. If it is these two are not there, so let's add. After that, go to the controller. Let's we need to implement one method here. So I will implement one method and I will call second video logic like in service. One method will be there, get masked user identity. This, so second video for only for the print the masked data in logs, but the same data I will send to UI. Let's see, it will be masking or it will be giving original data. Let's see what will happen. So in controller, I will add one method. So let's create one method, public string, public string, get masked user, get masked user. Let's take model. So get mapping slash masked user. So user user identity equal to new user identity. So here we have the all our constructor is right, all our constructor. So I will use, if not there, you can add this constructor, this annotation you can add. If you are not added already, you can add this annotation. So we can use all our constructor, right? Post one. So see other Gmail phone, other, right? Other 12 characters, 4 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. So these are the randomly I am taking these values. Gmail, right? REK, suppose RN Karen at the rate of gmail.com. Third one, phone number, right? 1 2, suppose 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, right? So now one command I am adding, save original data and get masked data for UI. Save original data and get masked data for UI. So we are working now up to this save original data. So this I will show get masked data for UI. This we need to do. I will show, first I will show original data. It will be render original data to a to UI Thymeleaf phase. After that, O to fix this issue. It is like issue, right? Original data it will be appear rather than masked data. I will show after that O to fix it. So let's inject the required or constant. Let's inject the service private final string, private final string. So private final masking data service, masking data service. Take this reference. In service, we have only one method. Let's call that method. It is expecting user data. It will return the, see, it will return the string. Suppose masked data, but this is not masked data. So, but I am adding like this. So this is original data I will show. So after that, model dot add attribute, model dot add attribute. Attribute name is the masked data, comma masked data. add attribute, not all. So add attribute, right? I need to return one Thymeleaf file. Return masked user u. Here some issue is there because of it will print actual data only post I will show. After that, I will tell the solution how to fix it. So masked data, right? It is a field masked data. So let's go to SRC main resources templates. Here add one HTML HTML file, Thymeleaf file like masked user u dot html. So namespace last video we are added, right? This namespace. This is I think it is optional. I will not mention. Let's see what will happen. Span tag I have taken. Span tag th colon text I am given here dollar masked data. That's it. I will try to run if any errors are coming. Based on the error, I will fix the issue. Span. This is the span tag. So run as Spring Boot app. So this is up and running. So HTTP colon. So here in controller, what is our get mapping path? Masked user / masked user, right? So masked user and see it is printing this is the Aadhaar, next Gmail, this is the phone number. So why it is being printing it is why it is not masking? Because of as of now we are implemented so masking by using logs. We are implemented logic, it is applicable only for the logs. See here in logs it is printing. It will be applicable up to the logs. So suppose runner we have, right? Suppose we have a runner. So let's see string masked data. Suppose if I will print masked data sy control s, I will stop the server. It will print actual data, not masked. So we are masking only logs, not the actual data. See, it is printing same as this. This is like a one issue. Second approach, masking is working, but that masking is only applicable up to the so logs, right? Masking is only applicable up to the logs, right? In second approach, only applicable for the logs. We need to implement now. Logging must support for both logs and UI. And so data must be saved in database. So without any masked data. This is also I will show. Now post we need to develop one util. Let's add one util class, class, new class, masked util. util. This class comes under util. We all are aware like utility packages, reusable package. We can add reusable logic in util, and this is the mostly utility classes have static methods, right? We can call by using class name dot method name. So here there is not require any at component annotation. Not require any component annotation. So let's add command masking for raw values, masking for raw values UI. So like two there, right? masking for UA, masking for logs. This is completely for the masking for UA. Public static string mask other, string other, return other dot replace all. We need to pass regular expression here. So and replacement. So post. Let's go to the layout. Let's copy. It will time save. Last video we have developed, right? This. Let's copy. So while printing the mask data in logs, field name colon, it is mandatory. Field name colon, it is mandatory. Field name colon, it is mandatory. Right? Let's copy this up to this. So let's go to the mask editor. So let's check now. Question mark equal to. So double quotation bracket question mark less than or equal to double slash d 2. After that double slashes d 8 question mark 2 double slashes d. This is the regular expression. So after that, let's maximize the screen semicolon. So this is the one. So next mask Gmail. So public static string mask mask Gmail string Gmail. So return Gmail dot replace all. So again go to the layout. So it will reduce our some effort if we are copied here. It will reduce our some effort. Same pattern only I am following. Control V, semicolon. See, we need to remove. So Gmail colon. So double quotation slash question mark less than or equal to dot 5. This one remaining same. So now another method public static string mask bone string bone. So return phone dot replace all. So let's copy regular expression from here. This is the regular expression and replacement. So we need to remove phone. So third one colon slash question mark less than or equal to, right? Less than or equal to, this is the phone number, right? So now let's add. So let's remove this. Let's add new pattern. Yeah. So slash d. So 3 slash d 4. So question mark is equal to slash d. So 3. So let's check. So bracket less than or equal to //d. So this will be ended. After that //d. Now bracket question mark equal to //d. So these two brackets ended. After that 4. After that this. Okay, fine. So next. So next. So let's develop one static method to combine these three. So public static user identity, identity, mask user, mask user identity, user, user identity, user. So now let's create a this object, entity object, masked equal to new user entity. So masked dot set other masked equal to set other mask other user dot get other. So like this mask dot set gmail set gmail. So so mask gmail user dot get gmail. Next mask dot set pawn mask pawn user dot get pawn. Then return user selector control shift F for pretty printing. So this is UI related changes are done, right? See in masking layout here as well. This so regular expressions and replacement will be there, right? Let's move those code here as well. Those code to here as well. Let's move to here. So in single place enter masking pattern logics will be there. So masking for log messages logs include prefixes. So masking for log messages include prefixes. This is for the logs. This is for the UA above for the. This is for the UA. This is for the logs. For logs, these field names must be we need to add. Otherwise, it will not work. Control X. Cut. So paste here. Control V. Selector. Control Shift F. Control S. So let's go to this. Now this is not required. If you want to, you can add this command here. Let's remove this. This is not required. Let's remove this. So we have one util, right? Masked util dot. So which method we are added? Mask fields. Masked util dot. Let's check it is a private method. Let's make it public. So let's make public static. So mostly we will place in util classes static methods only, right? We can call directly by using method name log message. This is done. Selector control shift F control S. So now so let's develop new method in service. So after that I will update SMS control logic. This method logic I will update in service. I will develop new method. So existing code I will not disturb. I will add new method. So public user public user identity, save user identity, save user identity, right? User identity, user. Now, if any DB calls are there, then you can place here. Suppose if you want to save original data, save original data to DB. So it is a unmasked. So if you want to save like user repository dot save, we need to pass above user, this user. We need to pass like this. If you want to save, this is for the one. If you want to save data to the DB, second one. So second part, log masked data. Log masked data, for that log.info. Log.info. So I'm adding single log only. Saving user identity. Saving user identity colon other colon space Gmail colon space, so phone colon space next. Suppose let's go to the next line. So mask detail dot mask other. So we need to set user dot, we need to get other. So this is the one, three we need to pass, right? After that, comma mask detail dot mask Gmail. So user dot get Gmail. Next one, masked util dot so mask phone. Here user dot get phone number. So this is also done. Saving user identity. So saving user identity. These are the we are printing these three masked data, log masked data we are printing here. After that, part 3. So masked data for UI only. So we are also sending masked data to UI. For that, so return masked util dot mask user identity. We need to pass user. This is it done. Select all, Control Shift F, Control S. This is it done, right? So this we need to save user identity. Go to controller. Here we need to change this. We need to change to save user identity. It is expecting. It will return type is user identity. Right? This is it done. So let's go to the this masked user U. So I am not adding any selectors like good screens. I am not developing like this kind of good screens, like it will take some time, so I am avoiding this. So if you have some time, you can try to design these screens as well. Just I will show proof of concept, it is printing or not. That is only I'm focusing right now. So for your screens it will take some time to design, so I am avoiding that. Other colon pan th colon text. So here masked data dot other, masked data dot other. So dollar symbol style, I want bold as well. For that I am using style. So front hyphen weight, it is a bold, right? Bold. Here this tag will be closed. So span tag will be started. After that, span tag will be ended here. Span tag will be ended. Let's check. So P is started, ended, span. Okay, this is fine. Let's another two. This is for the Gmail. This is for the phone number. So here Gmail, phone, control S. So in this video, our target is we need to get master data in logs and we need to get in UI screen as well, right? So development is done. Let's test. Right click, run as Spring Boot app. So we need to hit one endpoint, right? We are developed. So see in logs, it is printing master data. So after changes also there is no impact after changes as well. We are moved our masking pattern logic to util class, right? Masked util class here. In this second video here, some logic will be there. Those logic I have moved to here, but still it is working, right? This masking is working. Let's check UI. So let's repress it. So it is giving some error. Let's fix it. Let's fix the error. Attribute name cannot be null or empty. So let's check if there any mistake in name. So masked data dot phone, Gmail, Aadhaar. So these are the right. Let's go to the controller. Masked data, masked data. It is the right. So let's identify the where mistake will be there. Masked user u, masked user u, control S. So P tag, Aadhaar, colon, span tag, th colon text, dollar symbol, masked data dot Aadhaar, style, font height bold, font height bold, span tag closed, P tag closed. Here two added. Maybe because of this issue. Control S, stop the server, run as Spring Boot app, two double quotes extra added. So these are the logs working perfectly. So second video code is working perfectly. Let's check third video code. See third video code. So here no impact. Still it is showing same, right? Let's fix this issue. Let's check where it is mismatching and let's fix this issue. See it is printing same actual data, original data. So let's check maybe somewhere here done some mistake. Let's go to the util masked util. Let's check is there any issue in this class. So this is the actually UA related masking code. These are the masking raw values UA related. See, so masked data we are setting here. See, this is we are returning. We need to return this, right? Masked, we need to return this. Control S. Let's stop the server. So right click, run as Spring Boot application. First, let's check the logs. So in logs masking, so masking feature in Spring Boot is working. Masking is working perfectly. Let's check in browser. See, so masking here also working. But I said bold. Bold is not working. Let's check. Bold is not working. Let's check that. Why bold is not working? P other colon span th colon text. This will be okay. Style equal to font hyphen bold, font hyphen weight. So it is a bold. No spaces, I think. Let's see. Check. Bold. Span tag will be closed. P tag will be closed. So let's stop the server. It must be bold, right? Span tag data must be bold. So still it is not working. Let's check again. This must be bold. So let's see why it is not printing bold. See bold spelling wrong. Bold controllers. Let's stop the server. Let's rerun the application. Right click, run as Spring Boot app. So maximize. So masking sensitive information in logs. It is working perfectly. This is the one feature where developer same feature masking. So sensitive information in UI screens. So this is second feature. It is also working fine. But we want this span tag data in bold. See, it is now bold, right? So I have not developed this kind of screens. It will take time. So in this video, we are successfully achieved. So masking sensitive information. So by using like logs were developed in last video. In this video, like masking data were displayed in the UI, and also we can able to save the data in database as well without masking. Before masking, we are saved. See here, this is database logic I have not implemented. Before masking, I have saved data into database. Then so I am masked logs after that. So this is for the UA data. This method is returning some data, right? That is also masked. So we are in 3 videos, we are successfully understand how to task. In these 3 videos, we are successfully understand how to mask sensitive information. So in logs and UI screens. So this is the masking sensitive information videos are completed. Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this YouTube channel.